Hey friends, Captain Matt here with Island Adventures Foundation, and I am so very excited. We have two amazing teenage boys we're going to be taking out today to one of the islands, and they had a difficult time within the foster care system. So fortunately though, they ended up at Crossroads Hope Academy. What an amazing facility. The boys stay on site there. Crossroads works specifically with boys who have had a difficult time within the foster care system, multiple failed placements. And so they ended up there. They're getting the leadership, the mentorship they need, the counseling. It's all done on site. They make sure they get an education. They're teaching them life skills. I cannot say enough great things about it. I reached out to the executive director, John Davidson, just a few weeks ago. We talked about nautical therapy and what it could look like. Today is the first of many outings we're going to be taking together. We're going to be taking these boys out to North Captiva. I got a lot of fun events planned for them on the island. I hope you stay tuned for the journey. It's going to be an awesome time.
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know